I'm testing out a new wireless intercom system from Hollyland, and this is hopefully going to replace all these old walkie-talkies that we use on set. So basically this thing, I mean, you can use it in lots of different settings, but one, I guess the one that we're going to be primarily using it on is on a film set or music video set where we need to wirelessly communicate, right, all the team members. So this set comes with 8 headphones slash microphones, and then transmitters, receivers, and it has one sort of central command that all the receivers connect to. Alright, so now to test out the long range of this, I'm gonna have my usual assistant number one, my wife. She's got one set of headphones and she's gonna be walking in one direction, I'll be walking in the opposite direction, and then we have one receiver which is just connected to an audio recorder that's inside the house. So again, that's recording all of our conversation. Now it's not to test the quality of the system, but the quality of the audio, because it's not about the quality of the audio. It's supposed to be reasonably clear. It's more about how well does it reject background noise, and also how well it picks up the voice, right? So it's supposed to only turn on and pick up when you're really close to the mic and you're talking directly into the mic. All right, ready?
Ready.
Okay, so you go there, I'll go in this direction. Okay, I'm gonna go down this street and you just continue going down. Okay, we're
walking.
We're about like 1,000 feet away from each other, but in between us we get the receiver.
Okay.
See how it sounds.
You sound okay. How do I sound?
Yeah, I can also hear you fine. And it's thing, yeah. I thought maybe because you speak softer, maybe it's not as clear, you know, because I could see like on the audio recorder, right, that the volume is much lower. But I mean, I can hear you totally fine here. I don't hear any noise or anything on my headphone.
Okay, now you're cutting off a little bit when you talk.
Okay, it's probably because
Yep.
I'm behind the house now.
I don't hear you anymore.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Oh, nothing. Just like cutting off a lot. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yeah.
Okay, now I hear you better.
Yeah, okay. And I'm actually, I'm behind one house. So basically there's a house between me and, you know, our house where we have the central sort of command, you know, unit set up.
Okay.
So it is, you know, like I said, it's not direct line of sight. And anyways, hopefully if you can still hear something.
No, I can hear you very clear.
Oh, you can hear it now? Okay.
Yeah.
But it was starting to cut off at this distance, right? A little bit. So.
Mm-hmm. A car's coming. I don't know if you will be able to hear that.
No, I can't hear anything.
Okay.
And there's actually some cars still driving by me.
Okay, yeah, I don't hear that either. All right, so I'll keep walking then.
Yeah. All right. Hello? No, okay. We lost the signal. Hello, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you. I couldn't hear you for a while.
Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, I also couldn't hear you. So
okay.
So wherever you are, like stay there now and just kind of remember, I guess, where you are. So I would say I'm a little bit further than I was before, but again, I'm going to show you guys the exact distance on screen once I check on Google Maps. And I'm basically behind one house, and the central unit is actually inside the porch, but it's behind like a little concrete wall actually. The homes here are built out of concrete. So
yeah.
So you know that's the kind of signal you can expect. Now this is actually a really far distance. I don't think I'm ever going to be walking that far on a film set. Like if you're.
I think I'm pretty far too.
Yeah, I don't see you. Where are you? Oh wait, you're down the street.
Yeah.
Holy crap, you're far. Okay. All right, so head back. Okay, now I see.
Okay, let's head back.
All right, so now I'm behind the house here. So we have multiple concrete walls between me and then the central unit that basically receives and transmits all the signals.
Mm-hmm.
And I also have somebody cutting the grass here. So can you hear that?
I cannot hear them mowing through the headset. I can hear it because I'm right here.
Oh, okay.
I can hear with my other ear.
So I guess you guys should be able to hear on the actual audio from one of the receivers that's recording, if you guys can hear the lawnmower, but I can't really hear it on the headset. So, which is good. Again, that's the purpose of this, you know, of this system. The purpose is it's supposed to again minimize any background noise. So all you're really ever hearing is the actual person talking, right? So the Solidcom M1 from Hollyland is a pretty robust and like really well built system. So if you need like intercom for, let's say, like live events, you're doing concerts, wedding videos, even TV production, or In my case, like if you working on music videos or small movie sets, then this thing definitely is going to do the job. It works a lot better, longer range, way better signal quality than you're going to get with any walkie-talkie. Not to mention it's hands-free, meaning once you put it on, you don't have to worry about turning it on and off. It's really good with detecting when somebody's speaking. Otherwise, it does not transmit, like you guys heard, any background noise or anything like that. So and it's comfortable. Like I had this today on for like the past 2 hours, no problem. It's very comfortable. I don't feel it even on that ear, and it's fairly light. Now this thing, the transmitter / receiver, these packs, they're about the weight of like a typical cell phone. So again, you don't feel it. Now the cable is thick. You're gonna feel the cable. Sometimes if you have it in like an kind of not the most comfortable position, that might get in the way. But at the same time, it's a very, I guess, sturdy cable. You don't have to worry about this thing breaking soon, because it is a very thick, and hard cable. As far as the here central command or whatever they call it, this unit is also very well built. As you can see, you can attach it on a light stand. You can just put it on the ground too. Like I remember the first time I was testing this out when we did like a small shoot. I just literally had this on top of the case that it comes with. So it's nice, it comes with the case, so you're protected when you're traveling, especially on like a busy film set where things just get thrown around and stuff. It's going to be protected in that case. But even like this, like you see, those antennas are massive, very strong. They give you a nice range. Another thing I like is that, as you can see, you can have it powered, just having this plugged to an outlet. But it also gives you a way to power it with Sony NPF style batteries. So you have two plates, put the batteries in there. I don't know how long it would power it with those two batteries, because I haven't really used it that way yet. But I think it should last enough, because this thing itself, with that little lithium battery that it comes with, it lasts around 6 hours. So I've had it, the first day I had it, been using it basically for a whole day, and I had no issues. Now the whole system actually comes with two sets of batteries, these quickly removable batteries. So there's basically 8 headsets, and then there's 16 batteries, right? So you have 2 batteries, so you can easily swap them out. And I do like this multiple charger that they give you. It allows you to charge all the batteries, including basically the ones that are in your headsets. You can just plop them in there and charges the batteries in the headsets, and then the batteries that are outside. To set this up is super easy. Like basically the first time I was setting this up, I didn't look at any instructions, because you literally just, as you turn on these little transmitter receiver pieces here, it just automatically connects to the main here, the transmitter or whatever, the module. So just right away recognizes it. It shows you which one's connected, which one's muted. So you can mute or unmute if you touch this button here on the top. So that's nice. You can also hear yourself like lightly in the background. So as you're adjusting the volume, you can kind of see, you can basically hear if the microphone's picking you up correctly or not. Now another cool feature that I found only recently, because I didn't read the manual, is that you can actually have 3 groups. So you have A, B, and C group. So even though you have 8 these headsets, you can actually separate them. So let's say if you want to have 2 people be on a separate group, or whatever, you can separate them into 3 groups, and it's fairly straightforward. Using it here, you can see right now all of them are on group A, but you can assign them to group B and C. And also you can control and actually set up all of this stuff just by basically by using this thing, or you can connect and use their Wi-Fi app, and then you can connect to the Wi-Fi network that this emits, and you can actually wirelessly basically control this whole setup. Now this version that I have up here is the most expensive one. This is with the 8 headsets. If you don't have the money, or you just don't need as many headsets, then they do have a version with 4 headsets, which is a lot cheaper, and then later on you could just buy the headsets, I guess, extra. So they have that, but again, for all the latest prices and all that stuff, check out the links in the description as always, because the prices do change. Another thing I like about this is that, like I said, let's say you want to have your whole team communicating, and let's say you have an actor that's like really far away, and you want to be able to communicate with your actor and tell them like, action, come here, all that stuff. Well, you obviously don't want the actor to be wearing the headset then. Well, if you just want them to be able to hear you, you can hook up a headset here. So basically it's like a standard 3.5mm jack, and that's how I connected this to my audio recorder during my test. So you can just basically have that, the actor can hide this then, and they can put like a little earpiece, and so they'll be able to hear you, but they don't have to wear this whole big, thing on their head. So overall, this is a really good intercom system. So if you guys are looking for something like that, definitely give this a try. As always, you can find more info on my website at tomantosfilms.com. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.